Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy a Django project on Vercel. First, make sure your Django app is working locally and using WSGI via Daphne or UVcorn. Create a requirements.txt and vercel.json in your project root. Now set up a WSGI.py or ASGI.py file as your server entry point. Then, use pub install vercel and run vercel login to sign in. Push your Django project to a Git platform like GitHub. Next, go to vercel and add new project from your Git repo. In project settings, set the build command and output directory as needed. Configure environment variables like Django _secret _key, debug, and database _URL. Lastly, click deploy and wait for your Django app to go live on Vercel. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.